Hi, and welcome to section 3 of this course. In this section, you will make an informed decision on container orchestration in Azure and learn to deploy, configure, and manage Azure Kubernetes service clusters. In this video, we'll do a quick review of container orchestration. To understand why we talk about orchestration, throughout this course, we will learn how to orchestrate containers with Kubernetes. Creating a single container is easy, especially when using Docker containers. Even building an application with 4 or 5 containers is relatively straightforward. But as soon as you get to production workloads with tens or hundreds of container images, management of those containers gets hard. This is where container orchestration comes in. An orchestrator takes your containers and deploys them within a pool of virtual machines, then monitors their health as they run, load balancing them as required. In addition to so-called cluster management, a container orchestrator also takes care of container lifecycle management, monitoring and if needed restarting containers, data management, persistent data for container applications, rolling upgrades or downgrades, node placement, and scaling both vertically and horizontally. Historically, orchestrators have been a pretty big pain to set up, since each has a set of specific dependencies and expects a particular topology. Now we have the cloud, helping to automate the creation of needed infrastructure, and big cloud players such as Microsoft Azure managing the complexity for us. Frankly, you should not worry about designing an orchestrator yourself. Think of it like flying an airplane. Today, commercial pilots don't fly planes by hand and sight anymore. Pilots trust the multitude of sensors and instruments in the plane to orchestrate the flying process. Kubernetes is gaining more and more momentum as the de facto orchestrator of choice. Kubernetes makes advanced orchestration easy. This includes automatic placement of containers in the virtual machine cluster, container health management, i.e., automatic container restarting and replication, and automated application scaling. Kubernetes can be installed in Microsoft Azure, private clouds, or in hybrid environments. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for the next video, where you will learn to choose between managed and unmanaged Kubernetes as a services provided by Microsoft Azure